Got a 2017 Q7. I'm going to show you how to set this thing up so you can safely lift it in the air. So get it in the on position. Use this wheel here. You may have to hit the menu button. Basically, you want to navigate to the page that has all this info on it. Go to Vehicle, and then scroll down to Air Suspension Wheel Change. Click on the button here, and make sure there's a check mark there. When you've got it set up like that, you can then safely lift the vehicle. When you're done messing with that, just navigate back to that same menu, and then uncheck it. And while you're in here, you can also reset the oil interval. And that's that. Let me know if you guys have any questions.